Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned to you that I'd actually gotten the inspiration for growing dendrobium orchids in full sunlight from an avid orchid grower by the name of Betty Stephenson Ashley. Well, guess what guys? I'm visiting with Miss Betty today, and I will be taking you on a tour of her garden. But before I get into that video, please, for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss when I upload a new video. So come on guys, let's go take a walk in our garden. Welcome back guys. One of the first things I noticed when I entered Miss Betty's garden was that she had a huge areca palm going all the way up to the sky. This is what I'm showing you now guys. And she has some vandas mounted on this palm. So I was curious. I wanted to know how she got these vandas up there. And I asked her. You know what she told me? She used a ladder. What a woman brave. No sir. She's an extraordinary woman. Look at this guys, all the way up she has the vandas up there. How fabulous. And she has a sweet sub tree that I'm taking you now. I'll be sharing with you some blooms that she has here. She has various amounts, a variety of orchids mounted on this sweet sop tree. Because I tell you, Miss Betty make use of every space, every tree. Look at this Chamberkia plant, guys. It is as if it's climbing the tree. Look at the roots. Going up, up, up. Wow. Now this is an interesting plant. It's actually a dendrobium. And it has a bloom right here. See if I can give you a close-up view. There is no ID. But it's an unusual dendrobium. Here is another dendrobium, seems to be a nobile. It's growing quite nicely in this terracotta with no medium at all. Just the roots clinging to the terracotta. How interesting. Oh, and here's another one, no medium, another dendrobium. I should ask her how she get it to grow like this without any medium. This is quite interesting. And here is a Brassavola Catalea, also mounted. Well, it's on a piece of cedar, I think, and it's hanging from this sweet sop tree. So guys, I'll just share with you some blooms, some Vanda blooms as I go along. This is a shaded Vanda, quite stunning. And there is an ID. Vanda Pachara Delight. Deep blue. Pachara's Delight, deep blue. Here are some of her Vandas. Some of them are not in bloom, but nonetheless, they're still looking quite nice. This is a Renanthera species. Wow. And I must tell you guys that she has used river stones, the large river stones, to border her Vanda Bed. And for medium, she has used some chunks of charcoal with gravel. I tell you guys, this is quite an inspiration for me. And she also has Spanish moss on some of the plants to keep them cool. Here she has another Vanda Bed and also another Areca palm with some more Vandas mounted on the palm. And in this section she has some Dendrobium orchids in pots. And this is a dried tree that she has actually mounted a Dendrobium on it. Now look at this monster. This is a Dendrobium orchid, and wow, it is huge. Wow. Here is another bed, guys. Now this is interesting. This is a cast iron pot, I believe, and she has actually planted some Vandas in it. And as you can see, they are planted in charcoal mixed with river stone or gravel. Wow. Now guys, I'm at the rear of Miss Betty's garden, and she has a lovely pool here. And she also has some beautiful palms, some Christmas palms that are grown in pots with ferns to enhance the beauty of the pots. And there are seats all around that you can relax and enjoy the ambience of the pool, even if you're not going to swim. All right? Quite lovely indeed. Another interesting thing I noticed, guys, at the rear of Miss Betty's property or her garden is that she has her fruit trees growing in some huge pots. And this is actually a sweet sop tree. There are some fruits on it. And over here is another fruit tree. I think this is a plum tree. She said it's a plum tree earlier. She didn't tell me which plum tree, but it's also growing in a huge pot. So this is quite interesting. And here she has some travelers. Here she has some traveler's palm going all the way up. Some massive palms. And she has actually mounted orchids on them, as you can see here. So guys, we've come to the end of yet another video, and if you have not yet become a member of the Precious Blooms family, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Precious Blooms JA. So until next time, see you soon.